Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola with Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the KMOUK True Wireless Earbuds. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you find that my video was entertaining or useful, please make sure you go ahead and mash that thumbs up button as it truly helps me out. Also, if you want to receive more content like this, please make sure you consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so let's talk about the KMOUK True Wireless Earbuds. All right, let's go over some quick specs. It has Bluetooth 5.2. It has 4 mics. It has CVC 8.0 call noise reduction. It also has a rating of IPX8 water resistant. So of course you can deal with several splashes of water, maybe even hang around the pool, possibly go swimming with them. I'm not 100% regarding that. But if it's rated IPX8, then that means it can be immersed in water up to 5 feet for 30 minutes. Okay. It says it has 30 hours of playtime, including with the charge case. All right, let's see what else. It comes with 2 different colors, black, or you can also get white. And it's all touch control. Okay. And you can even activate the voice assistants such as Siri or Google Assistant. All right. So with that stated, let's go ahead and get this thing open and see how everything looks. Now with these, of course, there is no master or slave, so you can have one in the case and just listen to just one if you want to as well. All right, let's have a look at the box. All right. Pretty cool. Model number here. And all right, let's go ahead and get this open. All right, slide that off. Yes, I have warrior nails. I can rip through plastic. All right. Let's see here. Pop that open. That's the case. You have additional ear fitting, or it looks like the wings. All right. Charge cable, type A to type C. And here you have a thank you card. This is your manual or your guide. All right, so I'm gonna put all this to the side and let's have a closer look. Let's go ahead and rip this open. Case is nice and small, look at that. It's time for a size comparison. All right, this is a nice size case. This is the Galaxy Life Buds charge case. And you can see this case. So it's a little bit smaller, but you can see how relatively small the case is. All right, so easy fitting in the pocket. Very easy. First, you see the type C charging port in the back. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. As you can see, it is charging. If I close it, it does shut magnetically. All right. Now this case is pretty slippery, so you have to be extremely careful while holding this because it can easily drop out. And this is all plastic, so you don't want to damage the case. So keep that in mind. Let's get this opened. All right, and it shuts by itself, as you can see there. It snaps shut. Pretty cool. All right, let's get this open. Now this button here, if you take these buds out the case and then you put them back in, leave this open for 2 seconds, you then press this button for 3 seconds and that put these in pairing mode. All right, let's take these out. And these go in magnetically as well, as you can hear and see. Pretty cool. So your buds are not going anywhere. All right, let's take these out. Have a closer look. It's very nice. All right, let's see. Check out. They are labeled R and L for left and right. Okay. So, of course, what I want to go ahead and do, I won't spend time with the manual. It's straightforward with the triple taps, double taps to operate it, you know, to answer the call, skip a track. It's pretty self-explanatory. All right. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get these paired up with my mobile device, do a test listen, and let you know my thoughts. When pairing, you're going to go ahead and choose that there. Pretty simple. All right, so now I'm back. I played a few tracks, watched a few videos, made a few phone calls, and they seem to all pass the test quite easily. All right. The sound quality, pretty crisp. It's not super loud. All right. And it's not crazy bass heavy, but it's more again on the sweet spot where if you were working out with these, you'll be fine jogging or just doing some casual listening. These will be perfect. They're very comfortable and very light. Watching videos, no lag at all. Very crisp, had the nice surround sound going there. You can hear the noise travel from one ear to the next. It was really, really nice. And then again, the phone call, they said I sound extremely clear, and I heard them extremely clear as well. All right, gaming, there was no lagging. So all in all, these will be a perfect set or pair of earbuds for those that are looking for that well-balanced sound and something that's not too loud. Again, it's not overpowering in the volume area. But all in all, I think these would be very, very nice. Now, if you're interested in the KMOUK True Wireless Earbuds, of course, I will have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my review for the KMOUK True Wireless Earbuds.
I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.